Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is and Worth It. So today's episode we got this cool amazing around here, and basically what this is a ukulele, and this is from a brand called Donner. If you guys remember in the past, I reviewed another product from this brand before, and that was an acoustic guitar. But this time we do have a smaller guitar, which is basically like a ukulele. So I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so once you guys open up, this is what it looks like inside. First thing inside right here, they do provide guys a digital tuner. So you can use that to tune the actual ukulele. Next up right here, they provide guys with guitar picks. So you guys can use that on the ukulele instead of using your fingers or your hand. Right here, they provide guys a cloth that you can use to wipe down the product. It looks like right here, they do provide guys some extra cords or strings that you can use to replace it if you guys ever need to. And then right here, they do provide guys a strap that is strapped onto the actual ukulele. And that is all the accessories that are provided for you guys in that little bag. Now let's take out the case to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So on the front we do have the brand logo, and when you guys do feel the case that's on here, it definitely feels really soft and very smooth, and it does feel like a high quality fabric that they use on here. Top part, they do give you guys a handle for you guys to carry around really easily. And in fact right here, we see we do have a zipper pocket, so you guys open up. It's actually pretty spacious for you guys to put a good amount of stuff inside, like all the accessories if you guys want to. And then for the back part, they do have a similar design as the other one that I showed you guys for the acoustic guitar, where they do have like a backpack strap option, so that way you can carry around really easily. And for the top part right here, they do give you guys the option to hang somewhere if you guys will keep it all organized. Let me just put it on to show you guys what it looks like if you guys were to use the backpack option. So once you guys put it on, here is basically what the product looks like. So it does give you guys a pretty good and comfortable strap when you guys do put it on, so that way you get that all day comfort when you guys do actually wear it. But now I'm actually open it up and show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys take it out, if you can see how it's all nicely wrapped up, let's take off all the wrapper on here first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. And you see for the one that we got right here is like a black carbon fiber design that feels really soft and very smooth. But you see the size of the product is actually pretty small. Like I mentioned, for this one it is a ukulele and not a guitar. That is why the product is so small. And if you guys notice on here, there's only 4 chords. Top part right here, we do have the brand logo. And then right here is where you guys want to turn to actually tune the actual guitar. And the way how they designed the product has dual holes. So one right here and one right here. And then for the bottom part here and the back part here is where you guys want to put the strap option that I showed you guys earlier. So let's put it on to show you guys what it looks like first. And I do also want to mention that they do have it available in other colors and other designs as well. So if you guys don't like this one, you can definitely do your own research to see which one you prefer. So all you need to do is just push it in. Alright, so we got that one in. Now let's do the same thing for the other one, which is basically right here in the bottom. Alright, so once you guys put on the strap, here is basically what the strap looks like. So what I'm doing right now is adjust it to make it a little bit longer, because if it's too short I can't put it on. Alright, so once you guys put it on, here is basically what the bot looks like when you guys do put on the strap. And you see how it fits perfectly right here for you guys to strum it really easily. And if you guys notice when we strum on here, it's so out of tune. So you do have the option to use the digital tuner to actually tune it, or you can use the actual app to do as well. So for this test, I'm going to use the app option to actually tune it. So here is the app that I usually use to tune the guitar or any other device, which is called Guitar Tuner. So instead of using the guitar setting, I want to use ukulele. So once you guys strum on here, it will show you guys which one you guys have, and then you just want to tune up or tuning down. So you just want to put this nearby and just strum it. So right now they tune up. So you just basically want to keep adjusting until it's correct. We're almost there. So once you guys hear that noise, then that means it's tuned. Alright, so I basically want to do the same thing for all the other ones as well. Alright, so we got everything in tune. So we got strum again. Alright, so as you can hear how much better it sounds once you guys do tune it. And I do love how they provide guys this card right here to teach you guys how to use it if you guys don't know how to. So obviously for me, I never played ukulele before, so I do need to actually refer to this piece of paper to learn. But supposedly the way how you guys use it is very similar to like playing guitar, but with less string on here. So this would be C. And then here is F. And then this would be A. So I do need some practice when I do use it. But that is basically how you guys set apart and how to use it. You can see very easy and very simple. all it takes a little bit of practice for you guys to kind of play around with this and learn from it. And like I mentioned, if you guys use the guitar picks right here, it works so much better and easier for you guys to strum it. So I'm gonna take out one of them to show you guys how it works. So this is what the pick looks like. I'm gonna use the blue one. So when you guys take out the blue one, here is what it actually looks like. So if you guys try again, but this time with the pick. If you can hear and see how much better it performs when you guys do use a pick compared to when you guys use a hand. And when you guys do use the pick, it's better for your fingers anyway, so you won't have to worry about scratching or hurting your fingers when you guys do use it. But you definitely do have the option to use the fingers if you guys do want to. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this ukulele, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality ukulele that has a similar design that's on here. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.